Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at some fidgets. So I have currently 8 fidgets and I'm super excited to do this because they're new. If you didn't notice my awesome Christmas sweater, you can have one too. Just go to your local Walmart. They will have one just like this. Either this or different designs. I chose this out of plaid and Santa Clauses, Grinches. Out of a lot of other things, this is my favorite. You guys will have a favorite too. Just your local Walmart, or possibly you may find a different one. They're super soft and comfortable. They're a little thin, but they're also really comfortable. You'll love them. As soon as I put it on, I was just like, oh my gosh. The drawstrings do get a little complicated, but that's about it. Honestly, when I get my hoodies, the reason why this one's like this right now is because it's all like scrunched up. This one even has a hood. It's super cool. It's like a hoodie sweater. Anyways, let's get on to the video. So, first we're going to start with our slime. So our slimes are obviously like my favorite. I love slimes. So here, this one's pardon me. This one is an alien. Hi, I am your alien friend. And then I am putting alien goo everywhere. Whoa. It looks it's so cold. And that's the worst part, when it rips apart. But otherwise, today I am rating my slimes, and so far, I give this. The texture, I love the texture, the color, it's super pretty, it's purple. The cold kind of brings it down a little bit. I don't like slimes cold. But the texture, the feeling, the color, the looks, the way the slime is made, it's just so gorgeous. And the fact that it's supposed to be alien goo, I give this a solid 8 out of 10. Alright, let's put it back and continue. If I can get it back in. If I can't get it back in, I'll just set it aside. Please go back in, because I want to move on. This is going to be a difficulty Get off of me! This stuff is goodbye, my alien buddy. Woo. Sorry there, guys. Going on a roll. Go so. Anyways. Next slime. Our next slime is Mood Mud. Color changes by touch. It's currently like a pinkish brownish. Let's. Oh. Well, this does look moody. Alright, I'm gonna just... Yeah, that is like deactivated completely. Oh, wow. It's like a clear glue based slime with... Oh, I think it's turning like green or something. It's not currently like changing. This isn't like, it's goo. They fooled me. They fooled me. What? It doesn't smell good either. Stretchy, stringy, moody, fun. Well, it is stretchy and it is stringy. Maybe it's supposed to be like this, but that's a deactivated slime. I honestly don't think it's supposed to be like this. I mean, yeah, it's fun to play with, but it's just a liquid. The type of liquid. It feels like honey. It feels like honey. I was about to start singing. Ow! That didn't hurt. It's just my reaction. It's like my mental thinks that I'm getting hurt, but I'm not, and so I just say ow. But guys, that didn't hurt me. I will be okay. Unlike my dude over here. So you see the white thing? That's his cast. So funny story. So the poor thing went through a leg break that I did. I broke his leg. We will remember him good. But yeah, I broke his leg and then my dad put a cast on him. It's a really good cast. I don't know what he made it out of. That just like formed into slime on my finger. It's slime. Wait, what? I'm sorry, huh? That wasn't actual slime in the container though. Why is this happening? It's turning into like slime. Maybe I just had to play with it for a minute. Well, we're not going back. I'll play with it later, and if I like get it to be slimified, then I will put it in a different video. But until then, mood slime will not be discovered. Alright, let's go. Let's go on to our next item. So behind my hand or in my palm, we have what type, you ask? Orbeez. This is actually a pretty cool little stress ball. It's hello?
You making a video?
Yeah.
Can I make a video while you're making a video?
Yeah.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Just making a point to people. Can you... Hey, Macaroni.
Yeah.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm going to ask you?
No.
Are you supposed to talk with your mouth full of food?
Ew, no.
When did you learn that?
In like kindergarten.
How old are you now?
11.
Thank you. Love you.
That's gross. Love you.
Somebody's arguing me about a woman that I said, ooh, stop fucking talking with your mouth open. And I'm getting backlash from other nasty people saying, why are you worried about it? It's nothing big deal. Yeah, it is. And now I'm going to send him a video saying,
Do you want me to cut that out?
oh, yours?
Yeah. Do you want me to cut that out of mine?
You don't have to. I don't care.
Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm not sorry. It was funny. But yeah, guys, do not talk with your mouth full, please. It is disgusting. It's really gross. Just you sitting here. Yeah. What's your problem? Just hearing that. It's gross. And you just like spit food. Please don't. I mean, ASMR videos, I get you're eating, but they close their mouth and they have a microphone, so they don't like. So just please don't talk with your mouth, guys. Anyways, back to the video. We have our squishy Orby squishy ball. It has white and purple Orbeez, and it's our next, not final, but next item is fluffy but mighty and mighty but fluffy. Oh, bunny. Look at the cute little bunny. Look at the eeny beeny weeny teeny bunny go. Eeny weeny teeny weeny bunny go. Eeny weeny teeny weeny bunny go. Okay, so you guys know how I like the sound. Listen. If you heard that, comment down below. I don't know if you heard it. But I thought it was just a cute little fluffy stuffy. Then I squished it and it was this. I was like, you know, I have to get it. So I got it and it's, yeah. But it's super cute until it poops. Anyways, so y'all know I have a turtle that I put in my videos here. Look at the bunny while I go get. My turtle. His eyeballs. My turtle. His eyeballs. My turtle. His eyeballs. Oh, his name is Margot. Yeah, Margot. I don't even know the song. Yeah, someone said Wells Fargo. His name is Margot. Anyways, so look at my ordinary turtle. And then he poops. Yeah, if you are new to my channel, I have this little turtle that I mentioned in my other videos, and he just goes. And now he has a friend. I don't know what to say. A friend that they both. Beep, beep, beep. 2 peas in a pod. I know it's usually 3 peas in a pod, but I'm saying 2. But yeah, wrong thing. Everybody say goodnight to my fluffy friend. Yep. Okay. So our next fidget is not that. I don't know why I picked that up. It's super precious. Oh, and you'll love it too. It's like a wedding. Alright. No. If you can guess what it is by the back of it, by the back of its head, that would be amazing. It's a neato. But anyways, it is. I don't even know his name, honestly. Comment. I will have to like think about his name. What is your name? Y'all tell me what his name is because I actually don't know his like real name. I think I do, but I don't want to say it just in case it's not it and it sounds like weird. But yeah, I had one of these, but it was like tinier, and it was a little dinosaur, and then I like popped it on accident. But it was not as thick as this, so hopefully I don't pop it. So that is our fidget. We have one. Ooh, one more. It is. Oh, two more. It's the lovely Who Lives on a Pineapple Under the Sea, SpongeBob SquarePants. This, it's not a squishy, it's just like a... It's like a shell. You know what I mean? Like a shell. If you fell for that, comment down below. Because it's actually a squishy. It's super fun to play with. I love this squishy so much. Yeah, I played with it before I even put it in the video. I am so sorry, guys, but I just couldn't help but open it and play with it. It's so cool. Alright, our last and final is disappearing ink. I think it. There we go. So, for those of you who don't know what disappearing ink is, hold on, let me try that. Disappearing ink is liquid. It starts off purple, then it goes into clear. But if you don't notice something, you can tell that, like, see how it's down here and it's, well, look at this. It goes down and then it's clear up here. And then it's gone. Then I put it back. It's still gone. Gone and gone and gone, and it disappears. Just like that. Disappearing ink, guys. Sponsored by me. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, comment down below. We're lucky we didn't make it into the 2-0. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below what I should do next. Have a good night, everybody. Good night. Good night. Thanks for watching. Bye.